So we did some building and I built a rocket.
It's about developing the new exhibition, which I'm very looking forward to see. It's going to be, the creative side of this, and to participate in developing the idea was very appealing to me.
I made something that can clean the water. I learned that being creative can be fun sometimes.
What I enjoy most about this is basically going back to your inner child, to be playful, to be fun and be creative, and don't think too much, just follow your imagination.
I enjoyed making something new with strangers, and I think that is something that kids do every day, every minute, and then we forget it as adults and as parents.